Every chocolate bar begins its journey in tropical cocoa plantations, where only the ripest cocoa pods are harvested by hand.
Perfectly ripe pods, that's what we need. Yes, quality is everything. Like this one, see the color? Beautiful. Let's get this to the collection. Keep stacking them high. Yes, make sure they are secure. More coming.
Freshly harvested cocoa pods are transported from the plantation to the processing center, where the transformation into chocolate begins. The freshly harvested cocoa pods arrive at the chocolate factory, where strict quality control begins before production. The cocoa beans are carefully cleaned to remove every impurity, ensuring the highest standards of food safety and quality. Every cocoa bean is carefully sorted and graded, ensuring that only the highest quality beans continue to the roasting process. The carefully controlled roasting process unlocks the rich aroma, deep flavor, and signature character of every chocolate bean. The roasted cocoa nibs are finely ground into rich cocoa liquor, forming the foundation of every chocolate product. During conching, the chocolate develops its signature smooth texture, balanced flavor, and irresistible aroma. The perfect balance of cocoa, sugar, milk, and cocoa butter creates the rich, creamy chocolate mixture loved around the world. The refining process creates the silky texture that gives premium chocolate its smooth and luxurious mouthfeel. During conching, the chocolate develops its signature smooth texture, balanced flavor, and irresistible aroma. Tempering carefully controls the chocolate's temperature, creating its smooth texture, glossy finish, and satisfying snap. The perfectly tempered chocolate is precisely poured into molds, forming the shape of every chocolate bar. The cooling tunnel carefully hardens the chocolate, giving every bar its perfect shape, glossy finish, and crisp texture. After cooling, each chocolate bar is carefully released from its mold, revealing its perfect shape and glossy finish. Every chocolate bar undergoes advanced quality inspection to ensure flawless appearance, perfect texture, and the highest manufacturing standards. Each chocolate bar is carefully wrapped to preserve its freshness, protect its quality, and prepare it for customers around the world. The wrapped chocolate bars are carefully packed into retail cartons, sealed, labeled, and prepared for global distribution. The finished chocolate is carefully stored in a fully automated warehouse, ready for distribution across the world. Every shipment is carefully prepared and loaded to ensure the chocolate arrives safely and fresh at destinations around the world. From the factory to every corner of the world, a carefully coordinated logistics network ensures every chocolate bar reaches customers fresh and on time.
From tropical cocoa farms to families around the world, every chocolate bar carries a journey of craftsmanship, precision, and passion.